Hi, DISPLAX is showing here in Shenzhen at CTOUCH a whole new product. This is dedicated for education and collaboration. This is a touchscreen that also has two color markers. What is this? So you can detect touch, but more than that, with a color pen, you can use it as a real active pen with color, and also as an eraser. So you can use also your hand to clean the information on your display. So another use case would be to have this information and share this with your audience in your room or the people who are working with you. So these two color pens are no battery, and they are detected by Windows as a Windows Ink compatible device. This is a whole new product. You can check more information at DISPLAX.com. Thank you.